In this video, we will provide a basic overview of the AERtronic 2.0 controller. Basic navigation. If the unit has been powered down for an extended period of time, you may need to enter the time and date. This screen will appear, and you must go through and select the date, time zone, etc. This is the main screen of the AERtronic Touchscreen Human-Machine Interface, or HMI. Along the left side of the screen, you will find two symbols which can be pressed to navigate to different screens. These are Information and System Menu. Moving down the left of the screen, you will find the machine's service and/or rental hours, the time and date, and two local operating buttons for starting and stopping the equipment. To the right of this menu bar, the system will display measurement readouts, alarm information, and user-configurable data inputs for your Aerzen blower. Use the icons along the top of the screen to navigate to view different data readouts. There you will find a number of tabs which will display different types of machine readouts. Starting at the left, we have Favorites, Pressures, Temperatures, Additional Readings, and Settings. When the machine is set for local operation, the machine is started by the green button and stopped by the red button. These buttons are permanently displayed on the panel. If these buttons are faded and contain a padlock icon on them, the machine is currently configured to respond to remote start-stop commands, either hardwired or via a field bus protocol. In the event of a warning fault case, the machine will not be able to start until the fault is cleared. When in local operation, adjust the speed of the blower by first navigating to the Settings tab, and then simply using the up and down arrows located on the screen to change the speed percentage. Alternatively, you can hit the Parameters button and manually input the desired percentage. The percent selected is from minimum allowed motor speed, 0%, to maximum allowed motor speed, 100%. The AERtronic and VFD will both be configured to avoid under or over speeding the motor and stage. We just reviewed how to operate the machine in manual speed control mode. The other mode of operation available is automatic speed control via a PID loop that is able to vary motor speed to maintain any of the following target parameters: pressure, intake or discharge, oxygen level, fan, cooler, aftercooler, or heating regulation. These can be set using the standard PID methods. To get to this menu, simply select Control from the main menu, then select Regulation. When in the Additional Readings screen, selecting the graph icon in the upper right corner allows you to see the information graphically. Scrolling down allows you to see graphs of the different readings. There is also the ability to view either the parameter value or a trended plot. The x-axis of the graph can be changed to best fit your needs. The blue Information button allows you to see more information such as the current software version and will flash in the case of an alarm, shutdown, or a service event. Warnings and alarms. When an operational measurement reaches the system-defined warning point, the top of the screen and the Information button will show yellow-white, indicating what the warning is. When the system reaches a defined operational fault point, the top of the screen and the Information button will show red, indicating what the fault is. In both cases, the button will flash until the event has ceased, returning the button to its original blue color. Faults will result in the machine shutting itself down and must be corrected and cleared before operation can continue. In the case of an alarm, a shutdown, or a service event, the Information button will flash, and a date, time, and description of the event will be available. You can simply press the check mark to acknowledge the message. Maintenance messages are displayed in yellow at the top of the screen. Each maintenance message is displayed 100 hours before the service counter. In order to access the event history, you can simply select the System Menu button, then Service, and then Fault Memory. In this section, you can see the events, when they took place, and when they were acknowledged. By selecting the arrow, you can see all measured values from that event time. For any additional technical support or to request an O&M manual, please reach out to your regional service manager.